My office, it's a disaster in here. It's a mess in here, let's be honest. We're gonna do another Noodle Nick channel office upgrade. Today's video is sponsored by Autonomous. They've sent me literally all of this stuff. It's gonna be brand new. See this desk, Wanwo desk? It's out of here. Blacklight desk, peace. We're putting the Autonomous in. Special shout out to Autonomous. We did do a video with them in the past. This chair has been in that room since that video. Highly recommend Autonomous products. So they sent us another chair and they sent us 2 desks. So I'm going to be replacing the desks that I have, replacing the chair. As you can see, this is a disaster. It's a mess in here, but we're going to get it all cleaned up. Hopefully get it looking real good in here. It's about time. It's desperate. We haven't had an office upgrade in a little while. So we're going to go ahead and break all this down, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, here we go. I'll see you when room empty. Okay, we're back. Hello, it's me. So, office empty. Also, I got new blinds. We got our desks. We got 2 bamboo desks. They're Autonomous A9 smart desk, and they're both bamboo. They're matching. Me and my wife, Autonomous, they're taking care of us, man. What can I say? And then over here, we have the legs. These boxes are kind of heavy, otherwise I'd lift it up and show you. We also got the A72 ErgoChair Pro Cool Gray. I'm gonna unbox the tabletop so I can ooh-ah, and then we're just gonna get to work. I'm already tired, and I haven't even started yet. Let's do this. Let's take a look under the hood. Am I blocking the camera? Yo, that's so clean. It's got like little holes in the back for cable management. They did a really good job of protecting it though. It looks like a gigantic cutting board. Noodle video when? Do you know how many comments it says noodle video when? It's coming, man. One day. 2028. It's coming. Wow. Oh, motorized desk. I forgot it got a motor on it. It's a Pro desk. And we have our little controls. Control. Okay, all done. I was just a bit confused because I left one part in the box and then I was like, what the heck's going on? But other than that, you could fit so much business on this bad boy. Look at this thing. Shoo. We also got these little fancy covers, all shiny, for the cable management. Alright baby, it's Autonomous desk time. Like I said, I've never tried any other Autonomous stuff besides the ErgoChair, so I'm kind of excited to see if it's like super high class. It looks really fancy. It's down all the way. Okay, let's go up. Oh wait, let's go back down. I want to set this as number 1. Okay, that should be number 1 now. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna go to the top now. See if it's a real standing desk, man. For me, for tall people. I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh yeah, buddy, are you kidding me? I don't care who you are, this is a standing desk. New background. What's up? It's your boy, Noodle Nick, and today I'm covering tech news. I like this, dude. It's so big. There's no way we're fitting 2 of these in here. This room's so small. I don't think you guys understand. Now I'm gonna lower it while I sit here and see if it has safety features to stop it from crushing my skull. I'm just kidding. I'm 6'3", so if I could use this as a standing desk, I think almost anybody watching this, like this is even kind of tall for me. I'd say 6'5" and below, you're good to go, man. This thing will go. That's one solid desk right there, baby. This is my new desk. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just stick this in the corner. We're gonna get the other one put together. I'll see you there in a second. Desk number 2. Revealed. That's it, baby. So it's all fully attached. The bottom's attached. We're just going to do the wiring. That's the next step, and then we'll flip it over, show you guys the finished product. The second one, fully assembled. This time, in case you guys didn't see, cable management, way cleaner. We used what they actually gave us instead of just trying to be lazy about it. And let me tell you why. We have stuck the Velcro to the back of this power supply box, and then we're just going to stick it right here. That was a problem I already noticed in the other desk, is that we wasted that Velcro strip on them. So that's in there for a reason. Okay, so we have more of these little bad boys. All right, so we got those in. I'm gonna plug it in, make sure everything works, make sure that my noodle brain is functioning. Okay, hold the number 1 down. Now it's flashing. So now number 1 should take me all the way to the bottom. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna go all the way up. See that? See, no cord, just that 1 cord down there. Yeah, genius idea. If we would have stuck it right here, then it would have got stretched and broken the first time we did that, which would not have been very good for Mr. Autonomous. Okay, it says here 64 pounds, so that's a pretty decent weight. This is also plugged into a power strip, by the way, but let's just take it all the way up. Lighter than some chairs we've had, but I mean, 64 pounds. She's taking it like a champ. No problems whatsoever. Cool. I might just take this opportunity to grab it now. It's at the perfect height. All right, so I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna put this up here in the corner, and I'm gonna get all the monitors and all the computer and everything set up and make it look like it used to, so we can get some more work done in here, because working in the bedroom has not been it. And I'll see you once that's finished and we got all of our monitors and everything back. See you there. And we're gonna do the chair next. Okay, boom, there it is. Everything is here. Our original plan was to put the PCs on the desk because I have a carpet and I don't want to keep hitting the PC with my feet. So we put the PC on the desk. And the only issue with that is there's not much room for both of our massive monitors. I mean, she's got the Titan Army monitor over there, and these View Edge monitors all these monitors are 27 inch, except for this one is 32 inch. So they're pretty big. So we ended up having to go vertical monitor. I've never had a vertical monitor before, but I've always wanted one. All the streamers have one. It's true. So, I mean, why not get one? So it's all set up. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the new chair. We got the old chair here. We'll talk about that in a few, but yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing together. Okay, here's the back. Mega fancy thus far. And there's even an extra, if you can see my hand, there's a whole back cushion like underneath this. There's another back cushion like right here. Looks mega adjustable. Cool. Oh my, it's like a car seat. Look at that! Oh yeah, dude. This one's way better than the last one. Although I don't think it has those springs in it or whatever like the last one, like the spring technology. That is actually really nice. It's even over time, those little springs putting in work. But this is a literal car seat. We got greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes. We have a chair shock mount. A little bit of hardware, not too crazy. We got 5 wheels. We have an arm. There's just a little bit of give in there. It's not quite hard plastic. It's like really hard rubber. And last but not least, we have the wheelbase. Boom. Nice and durable though, like, that seems right. This little freaking pillow in the back right here is literally like everything, dude. And it's just more comfortable. It's so nice, no cap. Now I can kick back and look at my autonomous office upgrade. Okay, we got back to front. That's good. And there's a lever on the back. See how it bends halfway? And then watch when I lock it. Now it's, wait, now it stays. So if you want to just like half recline and not use this and be caught slacking, if you just want to be like half slacking, your boss won't even know. You can't even tell that I'm chilling right now. So that's what it can do. What about the armrests? We can go this way. Okay. We can go this way. Okay. We can go up and we can go down. 4 different heights. Nice little 5D armrests. A lot of armrests, but not too overly complicated. It's nice. It looks basic, but there's a lot of thought that went into it. Now we just got to do the headrest. That's looking clean, dude. It does remind me of like that autonomous look. And it's not super loud and clicky like a lot of the other headrests. Like there's some click, but it's pretty quiet. You got the headrest on. It's good, it goes up nice and high. I have it at max height, fully max height, and I'm 6'3", so my head's on there. That's pretty much it, man. And it rolls really nice on the carpet, which is a big thing for me because I don't like those little roller pads and make it seem like I'm in like some kind of office. Like, nah, I want my carpet. So nice good carpet roll. So now that you've seen the new chair, I want to just do a quick update on the older chair and then walk you through kind of our setup here, and that's pretty much it. So let's grab the old chair real quick and I'll show it to you guys again. This is our ErgoChair Ultra 2. Like I said, we've had it for a few months, and this is my favorite chair. I just love how wide the armrests are, and I can slide them all the way up to my PC, and it lines up really nice with my desk, so I can do some keyboard and mouse gaming. I like the lean back on this one too. I play my game of Marvel Rivals, and then at the end I'm just like, and I just sit and I just watch my MVP screen, and it's just nice. I don't know, it's just a real comfy chair. But I really like this one because of the back, because the back is like, I don't know if you guys saw the video or not on this chair, but it's really form-fitting. This little extra layer right back here, really, like when I go to sit on it, you guys can see, maybe it'll take the shape of my back. You know, you can kind of see like my weight being pushed in back there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I really like that part. Just a quick update on this chair. I love this chair. I stand by it 100%. That's it, dude. That is the autonomous gamer setup. You know, we got a new PC, the new editing PC. It's going through some technical issues right now. I don't really want to talk about it, but hopefully we'll get that fixed soon enough. We've got a nice 5070 Ti up in that bad boy, looking real nice. Of course, the Titan Army monitor. We got a cute little mouse and mouse pad also to really finish off the setup. I love it, it's cute. My wife just recently got a Scuff controller. Love this thing, she's been asking for it forever. And like I said, we went vertical monitors, so we got the two monitors here. I got my QWERTY keys, my Hex 80, because it's one of the faster keyboards we own. So I like to game on that one. And I got my interface, we got everything. I got my hand cam, we got my two YOLO cams, you guys remember that video. And of course, Mr. Nicolas Cage himself, my PC, he's been through a lot. Don't judge him. He's there whenever we need him, he's always there. We got a brand new PC over there. That bad boy ain't even working. But this $1,000 PC from Facebook that we got 4.5 years ago is still pumping out content. Every video that you've ever seen from my channel has probably been in that computer in some way or another. Hardest working PC in the nation. But overall, what do you guys think? I mean, dude, like nice bamboo, two matching desks, like his and her setup. I don't think it could get any better than this. I don't know if you guys have been here for the evolution of my wife's setup, but it has gone kind of crazy, hasn't it? But dude, this literally just used to be a coffee table, bro. It was a Titan Army monitor on a coffee table just over here in the corner, and look, it's come such a long way. It's just so nice in here, and it's all really thanks to Autonomous. So I really appreciate you guys sending me this. Also, I secret shoppered a product from Autonomous. You guys didn't know anything about this, but we went ahead and bought it. But anyways, I secretly bought this because it looked really cool. They got a bunch of really cool stuff on the Autonomous website, so definitely check them out. Good habits start with a sip. So this is something, you put this thing on your desk. It's cute, isn't it? Don't you like it? There's a little Type-C on it, little power button. Okay, so right now it's on sale for 40 bucks. Like I said, they didn't know that I even got this. I just thought it was a cool thing. You can put your drink on it and it'll like light up to remind you to take a drink at a set amount of time, or you can set it to do a reminder of, like, let's say you want to do something every 20 minutes, it'll go off, and then remind yourself at work to go stand up and walk around, rest your eyes, do whatever you need to do. I think it's a really cool idea. It definitely helped me drink some water. They come in like a million different colors, so if you want to check out any of those, be my guest. But I thought it'd be a nice, cool little addition. Cool little coaster that lights up, and it comes with a little Type-C cable in it. Is it RGBing? Wow! Oh, that's so much cooler than I thought it was going to be. Wait, how do I do it? How do I do it to him? Just a fun little thing, just to add extra to our little Autonomous setup. All right, well, that was Autonomous. We got 2 desks, we got 2 chairs. They're just great, man. I don't know what to say. They're pretty easy to put together. Took a few hours to get the whole office all set up and fixed, but we got it all now. We got the RGB coaster. We got 2 desks, bamboo desks with the nice white legs. We got our old chair over there that has lasted forever and has not had a single issue yet. So I'm pretty excited to get another long-lasting, durable, comfy chair from Autonomous. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw, but halfway through the video we also got a new curtain, and it's a smart curtain. So I think I consider that part of the Autonomous upgrade. I think that's pretty cool. I don't know, but it definitely fits the nice aesthetic now. It's like an office in here now, except it's my house. That's pretty cool. But that's it, man. That's the Autonomous office noodle-nick office upgrade tech house one step closer to just levitating this house straight into the heavens with all the amount of tech that's in it. That's pretty much all I got, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash like for Autonomous. I really appreciate you guys sending me this stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Definitely click the link in the description and check out these two beautiful chairs. Check out the desk, maybe the RGB coaster. You know, treat yourself. You deserve it. I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Peace. Bye.